Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Michael with Elite Custom Golf Carts. We got a really cool way to add lights to your speakers on your Epic FX series golf carts. All right, so the Epic FX series already comes with speakers that have lights built in. They're just not plugged into anything. So we came up with a plug and play solution to get those lights going for you. So on our website, we're gonna have this plug and play product that'll plug right into the cart's wiring harness. You don't have to cut any wires. All you do is just plug this in, and then your speakers will have lights that go with the rest of the lights on your golf cart. All right, so we have a link in our description for the new product, and we're gonna show you how to get it installed on the Epic golf cart. Here we go. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do to get going is we are gonna hit the power button right here, and then we're gonna hit this button right here to open the front on the golf cart. All right, so once you get the front lid opened up here, you probably wanna turn your golf cart back off because we're gonna be hooking up electronics, so you don't want it powered on. The only tool that we're gonna need is a Phillips screwdriver, and we're just gonna take these screws out that hold this container in here, and we're gonna pull this container out so we can get underneath it. And then we're just gonna grab this and kind of pick up and pull it out. We got the front removed here, and we have our plug and play LED controller here, and these are already going to come pre-programmed to sync up with your LEDs that are already on the golf cart. So your remote that controls the roof lights and underglow lights is also going to control now your speaker lights, and everything. It'll be same colors and all that good stuff. So underneath your front here, we got this purple or pinkish looking plug, round plug. And then that is what this plug is going to plug into. It can only go in there one way. There's a little spade connector right there and the match for the spade connector. So we are just going to push those two together, and that's it. All right, so these are going to be all the wires for the underglow LEDs and the roof LEDs. So they're all going to be zip tied right here on every FX model golf cart. Normally you'll see just two loose connectors here that are not going to be plugged into anything, and those are the two connectors that we're going to plug into our LED controller for your speaker lights. So we're going to get these two plugged up, and there's not much slack to work with. I don't know. Okay. All right, so we got those two connected. Once you get those connected, we recommend, and we'll send some zip ties with these kits too, but go ahead and zip tie this receiver right there to this loom of wires. That way it's not just bouncing around in here loose. All right, we got it zip tied in there. That way it's not just bouncing around. And then we are going to take the storage box and go ahead and just strap it back in there, and then pop our screws back in, and then turn our cart back on. All right, so we're going to power it up and check out our new speaker LEDs. And then here's the remote for your golf cart for the roof and underglow speakers. So we can just hit pink, teal, whatever color you want, or you can do the different modes and it'll sync up with your roof and underglow LEDs with the speaker lights. All right, so get yours today at EliteCustomGolfCarts.com. The link is in the description.